Hey guys, this is Thomas from privatesocial.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to clear a recently played Spotify song history. Earlier, you had an option to clear recently played Spotify song history on your mobile device. But after recent updates, you are not able to do it on Spotify app anymore. Luckily, you can still delete your Spotify data on your phone, and it will clear your recently played Spotify song history. To follow these steps, and you will learn how to do it. Go to your phone settings. Proceeds by going to Apps section. Click on Apps option. Click on Apps option. Search for Spotify app and open it up. Now just go to Storage and click on Clear Data button. Click on OK to confirm that you want to clear your data. That's how I do it. Your recently played song history has been cleared along with all Spotify data. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to clear recently played Spotify song history. Don't forget to like this video,